Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how we can uninstall, delete or remove the Android Studio from our Windows 10 machine. For whatever reason you have decided to get rid of Android, please watch this video till the end. We're gonna remove and uninstall the Android Studio. In your search bar, please type control panel. This is a very short way to accessing the control panel, and you're gonna see view by the category. If it's not category, please change to the category for this one, and you will see there is the option called programs. Under programs, you're gonna see the uninstall a program. Click on the uninstall a program link. This is the software that you have installed in your right now in your Windows 10, and all of them are like installed, and you can uninstall software on the Windows 10 going to this location. So guys, here you need to find Android. Here I see that Android Studio, but if you don't see here at the top, you need to go down, scroll down, don't worry, and you need to find the Android Studio. Or what you can do, you can press the letter A, and it will go to all the softwares which starts with a letter. So here I see Android Studio. Click on this one, and it says publisher Google LLC. It's gonna is installed on today 521, and version is 4.2. And here you need to click on install, or what you can do, you can right click and you can click on install. So both options works fine. So I'm going to click on install, and here Windows asks you to authorize this command, and click on yes. And here what you can do, you can select just Android Studio. If you think in the future you're gonna install it again, so and you're gonna preserve the user settings, you don't have to check this option, but I'm gonna check this option and get rid of the user settings also. Click on next, and uninstalling from, this is gonna be my default. Don't change this one, because right now Android is installed in this folder location. Click on uninstall. It's gonna say you this will remove all of the program files under program files Android Studio, and cannot be undone. Are you sure you wish to continue? Click on yes, and you're gonna wait some time, and it will remove the Android Studio. It says uninstallation completed, and you can show the details. You can see details here, what folders and the files have deleted, and click close. That's it guys. Right now we don't have Android Studio in our Windows 10. If you like my video, please don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be putting more videos about Android Studio and about Java and on other installation videos. Guys, thank you. Have a wonderful day.